Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is a Glam Squad Spring 2022 Decorate With Me in Room Tour. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this Glam Squad room tour video started. We have a early spring clean and decorate with me, and as you can see, we're going with my guest room today. So this is my full before for this spring 2022 early spring room tour. It will be, once again, things that I already have, and it may be some things that you saw, but it's been a while, but I'm only using items that I already own. All right, let's get this early spring 2022 clean and decorate with me room tour done. And again, this video is part of the Glam Squad, and this is our second spring room tour. Now, Glam Squad consists of Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living Within, My Style, My Colors, and myself, Tammy, Glam Queen of Decor. I'm dropping the ladies' links in my description. Please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' videos. All right, my Glam family, let's get this room clean and decorated for early spring. too, if you're not a part of this family, please make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor now. Now guys, it is time for the reveal. And I do hope that I gave you a little bit of inspiration for spring 2022. I want to tell you, TT has already put her approval on the space. She's already loving it. But please make sure that if you're not a part of the Glam Queen of Decor, you go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other channels. That is the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen Unboxing. Make sure you hit those Glam Squad members video link in the description box. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.